Hey guys, welcome to CH Components and welcome to the channel. If you like this video, please smash the like button, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is an introduction video to my 4-axis mini CNC mill design. Version 1 of the 4-axis CNC was designed around the concept of a CNC router. The problem with this design is the Z-axis has a short travel. I tried to increase the Z-axis travel in the design, but it created the issue. The issue was the Z-axis had a big lever arm. I tried a few things but could not resolve this issue. I had some people say I must change the linear rail mounting positions around. That did not help at all, as I was still sitting with a long lever arm. The only way I could see to reduce the lever arm on the Z-axis is to reduce the travel. Because this is a 4-axis machine, I need the increased Z travel to make space for the 4th axis. This is the reason why I stopped and scrapped the previous design. It was back to the drawing board with me. I wanted the machine to be as rigid as possible and have the proper travel on all axes. I sat down and decided on the bed size and how much Z travel I needed. I decided on a bed size of 450mm by 280mm and a Z travel of 200mm. In this design I decided to use a 1.5 kW spindle instead of the 0.5 kW that I had in the previous design. As I wanted to be able to machine soft metals with ease, I didn't want to mess around with a smaller spindle. You'll see that the concept of the mini CNC mill is based on bigger industrial machines. The reason why? Well, they work. All axis is rigid and they can easily get travel without giving up anything else. I will not do a time lapse of the CAD work, but rather the way I plan to manufacture the parts for this build. Please come and make a contribution towards the project. You can do so via GoGetFundMe. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe here, smash that notification bell and leave some comments below.